Welcome to the 4 and 6 software. I'm here to demonstrate the software program. Let's check how the program works.
Looking for a powerful solution to convert HTML files into doc file format and email service? If yes, download the 4 and 6 document converter software designed with special forensic features. To know more about the software, please watch the video. Click on Open button. You can see multiple options are available to select a file. Select HTML option. And you can see Choose File and Choose Folder option are available. Choose as per requirement. We are selecting Choose Folder option. To upload a complete HTML folder from the system and tap on Select Folder button. Now, check the required images folder in the software panel. As you see now, all the emails from the mailbox are listed one by one in the software interface. The software provides export option to convert HTML files into different formats. We are selecting doc format. Then, mark the required folder for conversion and unmark the rest folder. Go to Browse option and pick a location to save converted file. Delete old folders. If you want to delete previously converted data from the destination folder, then please enable this option. Open folders after export is done. If you enable this feature, then the target folder where the output file is saved automatically opens after the conversion. Finally, go to the Save button and see the live process of files conversion. Once the task gets completed, you get a successful message. Click on the OK button. And go to Open Folder. Now, you will see the resultant folder. Click on it and get converted HTML files. If you have any questions, please leave in the comment box. To watch more 4 and 6 software videos, please subscribe to our channel. Have a great day.